Hello, my name is Darren Hart, Senior Service Technician here at Raypak. After watching this video, you will be able to connect the stainless steel venting to an XFyre. Improper installation, adjustment, alteration, service, or maintenance can cause property damage, personal injury, exposure to hazardous materials, or loss of life. Failure to install a condensate drain in the venting system may cause a non-warrantable condition for this unit. Follow Raypak and the vent manufacturer's instructions for installation and location of the condensate drain. Condensate drain must be trapped and primed with water to prevent flue gas leakage and must be routed to an appropriate container for treatment before disposal, as required by local codes. The venting system must conform to local codes and/or the current edition of the National Fuel Gas Code. The tools and materials you will need are drill with Phillips head bit and 5/16 inch driver, a ratchet with a 1/4 inch drive and a 5/16 inch socket, a combustion analyzer, jumper with 18 gauge stranded wire, and a measuring tape. Category 4 approved vent, such as AL294C stainless steel, must be used. We use DuraVent in this demonstration. The components you will need are 6 to 18 inch vent pipe with test port, boot tee, condensate drain cap, and a long john siphon. Remove the stainless steel to PVC adapter and discard it. This adapter is not included with models H7 700A or H7 850A. Using your drill, remove the 9 screws and pull the flue exhaust access panels off the unit. Disconnect the orange block vent hose for easier access. Disconnect the yellow, blue, and white-orange wires from the vent limit. Jumper the yellow, blue, and white-orange wires together to complete the circuit. Reattach the orange block vent hose to the barbed fitting. Reinstall the flue exhaust access panels and tighten the screws with your drill. Install the vent pipe into the heat engine exhaust port and tighten the restraining clamp. Install the boot tee into the vent pipe and tighten the clamp. Install the vent pipe with test port hole facing the side of the unit and tighten the clamp. Install the condensate drain cap onto the bottom of the boot tee and tighten the clamp. Connect the long john siphon to the condensate drain cap. Route the long john siphon drain hose to an appropriate condensate treatment system. Raypak recommends a minimum of 24 inches from the rear of the unit to the outside of the vent system to allow adequate space for plumbing and service. The boot tee should slope 1/4 inch per foot towards the unit or away for proper drainage. Use a measuring tape and adjust as necessary. Continue installing the remainder of the vent material until it exits the building. Be sure the vent complies with the National Fuel and Gas Code. Spacers must be used when penetrating walls and ceilings. Any horizontal run of vent pipe must be supported a minimum of every 5 feet. It is important to check your unit's combustion. Remove test port plug. Adjust the combustion analyzer probe to extend only to the middle of the vent pipe. Insert the probe tip into the vent and thread it in until secure. Run the combustion analysis with the unit at full fire and properly adjust your CO2 and your CO. After the combustion test is complete, remove the probe and reinstall the test port plug. The venting system should be examined at least once a year. Check all joints and vent pipe connections for tightness, corrosion, or deterioration. For more information about this product, visit us at raypak.com. Please subscribe to the Raypak channel on YouTube for additional how-to videos.